Hey guys, it's GiGi of GiGi Eats Celebrities. Now, I have a secret to tell all of you. That's right, I have been keeping a secret from all of you for, I don't know, maybe 6, 7, 8 months at this point. But now I'm officially allowed to reveal this news and I'm really excited. The secret is in here, everybody. The secret is in here. And I'm gonna open it up for all of you so you can see what exactly this secret is. Okay, let's do this. I'm really excited. I'm like gonna cry actually, because I can finally tell all of you the news. I'm not really good at keeping secrets, so man oh man, was it really hard to keep this secret for the last 8 months of my life. Seriously, this is really weird for me. Like you guys might like think I'm joking and acting and I'm like a bad actress, but I'm like actually super emotional right now because this is a huge deal for me because people have told me to do this for a really long time and it finally happened. I wrote a book. Everybody. Like I'm seriously gonna cry right now. Yep, this is my book right here. Oh my gosh. I've never even seen the back before. I've only seen the cover and I've obviously seen the interior pages before because I wrote the damn thing. It feels so silky smooth. Oh my gosh. Like I'm shaking right now, guys. I'm shaking. So this right here is the secret that I've been keeping from all of you for the past 8 months. Last year, this publishing company reached out to me and they asked me to write a book about the ketogenic diet and why it's specifically beneficial to women. That is why it's called She Does Keto because, well, she does keto. The complete ketogenic guide for women. On top of this book being about the ketogenic diet and why it specifically is beneficial for women, there's also a 3-week meal plan, grocery shopping lists, and 116 recipes. Yeah, 116, guys. Some of which are vegan and vegetarian. So to all of those people out there who think that vegans and vegetarians cannot go keto, well, this book right here debunks that myth. And it's really cool. I'm looking on the side here and it says my last name right there. So cool. But wait, I gotta open up the book to see what's going on inside. I mean, obviously, I know what's going on inside, but I've never seen it printed before. Oh, look at it. Look at it, so pretty. Yes, everybody, seafood and poultry section right here. Oh my gosh, this is like the coolest thing on the face of the planet. If any of you have written a book and then held it in your hands for the first time, do tell me in the comments below what you felt because right now I'm just extremely overwhelmed with excitement because pre-sale starts now. So in the description below, you can check it out on Amazon and you can get yourself a copy and it is actually gonna be on sale June 18th of this year. Only a few days before my birthday too, by the way. So you know, you could buy this and that would be like a birthday present to yours truly right here. Recipes include, these are just a few of the 116 recipes that are included in this book. Eggs Benedict on grilled portobello mushroom caps, stuffed eggplant, chicken shawarma, asparagus wrapped in salmon bacon, ooh la la, brisket nachos, lemon poppy seed muffins, and cookie dough balls. Who's drooling? Are you drooling? Because if you're drooling right now, then you need to go to my Amazon link in the description below and pre-order yourself one of these books. It goes on sale June 18th. Oh, and guess what? This book is actually going to be available at Barnes & Noble too. Anyways, thank you all so much for watching. I really hope you go check out this book on Amazon and then head to a Barnes & Noble come June 18th because that would be pretty cool. You know where I'm going to be June 18th. I'm going to be hitting up all the Barnes & Nobles being like, guys, that's my book. That's my book. That's me. GiGi Ashworth. That's me. This girl right here. Anyways, I do hope you subscribe to my YouTube channel because in the upcoming weeks, I'm actually going to be making a couple of the recipes from this book just to, you know, give you a little teaser. Whet your appetite a little bit. I'm also going to be giving a lot more sneak peeks on my Instagram channel and on my Facebook page, so do hit me up on those channels as well. I have links for them in the description below too, and I will see you all next week. Bye!